many of you remember exponents? You know, like something like 12 squared or 12 to the second power. I know it's backwards. I'll try to write it backwards for you if I can. Okay, let's see. Is that backwards enough for you? Okay, anyway. Some people tend to think it'd be something like this, 24. That's what people tend to think. It's like 12 squared equals 24 because they think, oh, it's 12 times 2. When actually, it's not. That's the biggest mistake 5th and 6th graders tend to make with exponents. It's not pretty, nor is that part pretty. So if you think it's probably like 24 and you don't understand why you got this wrong, it's actually 12 times 12, because 12 times 12 equals 12 squared. Because there are two 12s, is because this is the power, that small 2 to the right side. That means to tell me 12s are going to be multiplied together. You could do the math like 10 times 2 and 10, 12 times 2, 12 times 10, and add it up together, and whatever, how you're going to do it. But another way is there's this little trick I found out. It's pretty cool. When you're dealing with squares, what is, like with 12, what's an easy number that's very close to 12? Well, 10. Isn't that pretty easy to multiply in your head? So 12, what's 12 minus 10? 2. So they're 2 away. So 10. And then what is... Then, so because we subtracted by 2 to get to 10, we're going to do 12 plus 2, which is 14. Wait, where is it? Where is it? Oh, here. See the 14 and 10? Yeah, so what we're going to do is, what's 14 times 10? 140. Wait, excuse me. I'm doing a video. Be careful what you put on there. But how long do you think it was that I ate that cereal? That you what? Yeah. How many hours do you think that was? I'm not sure. Maybe 5? I don't know. Okay, that was a little issue there. Okay, so as we were discussing, 10 times 14 is 140, as I have it right here. I'm sorry, the last video is backwards. But now, since we subtracted, you're like, wait, 12 squared is 144. It's off by 4. Well, yeah, it's because we didn't finish all the steps. Since we add 2 and went down 2, here's the last part. We have to do 2 squared. And you're probably, and if you say it's 4, yes, you are correct. But something like that's not going to happen. That's not going to happen really often all the time. It's just because it happens to be 2 times 2 is 4, and you know that's a 2. That happens to be 2. You could just go like, oh, 2 times 2 is 4. You wouldn't get it wrong. But it's actually, it's 2 times 2 because since there's 2 2's, it's saying right here. That's what it's saying. Which does give you 4. Now, what we do is 140 plus 4. I know I'm writing backwards. It's probably, to me, it looks like 441, but to you, it looks like 144. And that's how we got our answer. Let's say if we did maybe something like 15 squared. I mean, here, I'll write it backwards for you. There, 15 squared. You're thinking, oh, we can just go up 5 and down 5 and all that. Well, yes, you can just go 10 times 20 is 200, then figure out 5 squared, yada yada. But there's another trick for when our last digit ends up to be 5. This can only work if the last digit's 5. If the last digit's not 5, you will not get the right answer. I mean, you might, but that's a rare possibility. So, what we're gonna do is, here's our first digit. We don't look at the 5 at all, okay? And we just look at our other digits. 1. Well, when we're counting by ones, what comes after 1? Well, 2. So we multiply those together. That gives you 2. So you put it up here, and then just do what's 5 times 5? 25. See, these are always going to be your last 2 digits when the last digit is 5 and it's squared. Like, even with 25 squared, well, 2 plus 1 is 3, so 2 times 3 is 6. Sorry, that might not come out 100% right. Well, to you, it doesn't look like it. Here, I'll try to write it backwards again. 5, 2, 6. Does that look like 625 to you? Wait. I don't think Yep, it does look like it right here. So, what if we had something like this? 4 to the 3rd power, 4 cubed, it means. What do you think it'd be? 12? Well, guess what? Nope, it's not. 4 to the 3rd power is not that. Maybe this is back. This has to be backwards for you. Here, I'll put it on the other side. There. So that would really just be 4 times 4 times 4. So 4 times 4 is 16. Then 16 times 4 is 64. And another way, I memorized the cube chart, so it won't take me much work to figure it out. But for you, if you want to memorize the cube chart from 1 to 10, you can. But I just do that to correct cube roots. So, what did we just discuss over here? That when you're doing a number to the power, it does not mean do the power times the number. It means take your number and multiply it by itself as many times as the power. So, bye, and I hope this video helped you. Bye. And oh yeah, if you're into Minecraft or FNAF, my brother has a YouTube channel called ericj. Ciaudella. It's down below in the description. Bye.